Hello, my name is Jonas Seberg. I'm CPO, LPO, FAOP, and I found out about orthotics and prosthetics through word of mouth. I was attending Florida International University in Miami, Florida, and bumped into a student in the program. And at that time in 1992, it was one of 6 universities that offered a degree in orthotics and prosthetics. So I started volunteering time for the company in South Beach, absolutely fell in love with it, became a technician for a couple of years. Ended up moving to Maryland to get married, and was a technician for a company in Baltimore, and was really enjoying being a technician. Really enjoying like fabricating, like just learning like all the different materials from carbon fibers to fiberglasses to resins to different types of thermoplastics, and device after device that was being made and going out to help somebody. There was a part of me that was very empty because I wasn't getting to see the device transform somebody's life. So I made the decision to pursue O&P school clinically, and was accepted to Cal State Dominguez Hills. So I attended that university in 1995 and 96. So it was a 24-month program at the time. So I received my degree and then went back to a company in Baltimore, and I had to go through a 2-year residency. So in January of 2000, I became certified as a CPO through the American Board for Certification. So the last 25 years, I've really enjoyed working with amputees of all levels and helping restore people with bracing needs as well. So what drives me in this field is definitely the people, and seeing somebody go from a state of inability to seeing that ability restored. There's nothing greater than seeing somebody walk into our office in a wheelchair and walking out of our office once they've received our device. So very thankful to be a part of this profession.
Hi, I'm Steve Latanzi, CP, COA with Real Life Prosthetics. I got into this field because I was in mid-career at 35 years old and wanted to experience a change in career. I had worked in the Pedorthics shoe field for about 8.5 years and really liked helping patients, really liked seeing someone move from disability to ability. And I discovered this field through my now boss, Jonas Seberg, and went through the whole process of going to school. I went to Northwestern University and got my credentials in prosthetics, and came back to here to Real Life Prosthetics to pursue my residency, and then been here ever since. And I love what I do. I love being able to help people. I love being able to work with my hands and work in a great team environment. And that's what really matters to me in this field.
Hi, my name is Olivia Slaughter. I'm a Certified Prosthetist-Orthotist at Real Life Prosthetics, and I got into this field pretty early in age. I had a mom who was a nurse who did a lot of volunteering, and I volunteered with her and got to see all the benefits of medicine. And then my dad is kind of a engineer, MacGyver of sorts, so I was really involved in tools and in the garage with him, so I wanted a field that could kind of do both. I read a book called Up and Running when I was in middle school and thought, wow, that's a good fit, a good combination of both fields. So I pursued that, had an excellent opportunity with a prosthetist in Richmond, Virginia at a facility called Powell. All credit to them to get me started and remain interested. I had a great experience at James Madison University in Virginia with a degree in exercise science. Then, like Mitch, went to the University of Pittsburgh for their master's in orthotics and prosthetics, residency, and 5 board exams to give me this certificate. That's my experience with the educational pathway and my reason why I'm interested in the field.
Hey, I'm Mitch Stuklik, a Certified Prosthetist-Orthotist with Real Life Prosthetics, and I wanted to get into this field because I knew I was interested in engineering and science and math, but I wanted something creative too, and working with other people was really important to me. I was lucky and I was in the right place at the right time, and a lot of people I met led me to this pathway, this career. Kevin Riley was one of the earliest people who introduced me to this field. He was a motivational speaker at my high school, amputee, cancer survivor, and ex-Philadelphia Eagle. Thank you, Kevin. After that, I went to the University of Delaware for biomedical engineering and explored this career more. I was lucky enough to work with Independence Prosthetics. They have a clinic on campus. The senior design project led me to my master's program at the University of Pittsburgh, and then I passed 5 board exams to become ABC Certified Prosthetist-Orthotist.